Welcome to our tutorial on applying masks. I want to improve the label on this cream bottle a little bit more. I'd like to remove the white border around the label. First, let's expand the decals folder. Double-click on our decal. Let's look at the mask image control area first, where we've got three options: no mask, image mask file, and selective color mask. Let's take a look at selective color mask first. Press this icon to activate the color picker. Now let's pick a color from the decal preview. When I move the color picker across the decal, the color's RGB values appear in a callout. RGB values of 255 mean I've got the color white. Okay, let's click on it. And as you see in our preview window, most of the white around the label has been removed, but it is kind of choppy. We don't see it on the scene right now, however, so let's click the left and right arrows to reset our scene. Now the update appears on our scene, but the results, as you can see, are less than ideal. The white color around the border is quite choppy. Sometimes the selective color mask option will work, and sometimes not. It works better if you're using a GIF file with just a small number of colors. But more often than not, you may end up with results that are not smooth. Let's select this color and click Remove. Next, let's take a look at the second option, Image Mask File. First, we'll browse for an image. Here is my mask image. It's a black and white image I created in the form of the label that we're using. It's based on the same file. The black color represents the area to be removed, and the white color represents the area where the image will stay. Let's click Open. Now, in order to mask the correct part of the label, I need to check the Invert Mask option. Now let's click OK. And then let's render to see how it looks. Okay, this is much better. We've got a pretty clear border around the label. Let's expand the decals folder, double-click on our decal. We're going to take a look at the Save Decal option. Let's create a new folder. I'm going to call it Custom. I need to check the Save Images Used by Decal option. Click Save. Here we see the path to our folder. SOLIDWORKS warns us that the folder where we've chosen to save the decal is not currently visible in the Decals folder of the Photoworks Items pane. Do we want to make this folder visible? Yes, we click Yes. Now let's expand the Photoworks Items panel. We'll open Decals, Custom, and here's our label. And let's click OK. Now we left and right click. And let's right click on the decal and click Detach. Now we can grab our newly created decal and drop it on the model. And this concludes our tutorial on applying masks.